अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। आज की वीडियो में हम मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एंड मोस्ट रिपीटेड इस्लामिक स्टडीज़ एमसीक्यूज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस बर वक्त आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए आज के एमसीक्यू स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ द इस्लामिक कैलेंडर? इस्लामिक कैलेंडर का पहला महीना कौन सा है? ऑप्शन ए रमज़ान, ऑप्शन बी मुहर्रम, ऑप्शन सी सफ़र, ऑप्शन डी ज़ुल्हज। The correct answer is option B, Muharram. Muharram is the first month of the Islamic lunar calendar and one of the four sacred months in Islam. It is known for the event of Ashura. Question number 2 is, which surah is known as the heart of the Quran? कुरान का दिल किस सूरत को कहा जाता है? ऑप्शन ए सूरह फातिहा, ऑप्शन बी सूरह बकरा, ऑप्शन सी सूरह यासीन, ऑप्शन डी सूरह इखलास। The correct answer is option C, Surah Yasin. Surah Yasin is referred to as the heart of the Quran due to its powerful themes of Tawheed, Risala, and Akhirah. Question number 3 is, who was the first person to accept Islam? सबसे पहले इस्लाम कबूल करने वाले शख्स कौन थे? ऑप्शन ए अबू बकर रजी अल्लाह अन्हु, ऑप्शन बी हज़रत खदीजा, ऑप्शन सी हज़रत अली रजी अल्लाह अन्हु, ऑप्शन डी हज़रत उमर रजी अल्लाह अन्हु। The correct answer is option B, Hazrat Khadija radiallahu anha. Khadija radiallahu anha, the wife of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the first person to accept Islam and support him during the early years of his prophethood. Question number 4 is, how many rakats are there in Fajr prayer? फजर की नमाज में कितनी रकातें होती है? ऑप्शन ए 2, ऑप्शन बी 4, ऑप्शन सी 3, ऑप्शन डी 5। The correct answer is option A 2. The Fajr prayer performed at dawn consists of 2 rakat as prescribed in Islamic teaching. Question number 5 is, what is zakat? Zakat क्या है? Option A, a form of pilgrimage. Option B, a compulsory charity. Option C, a voluntary fast. Option D, a chapter in Quran. The correct answer is option B, a compulsory charity. Zakat is one of the 5 pillars in Islam. It is mandatory charity given by annually by Muslims who meet the minimum wealth requirement. Question number 6 is, which angel brought revelation to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Option A, Angel Israfil. Option B, Angel Mikhail. Option C, Angel Jibrail. Option D, Angel Malik. The correct answer is option C, Angel Jibrail. Angel Jibreel alayhi salam, was responsible for delivering the revelation of Quran from Allah to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Question number 7 is, the Quran was revealed over how many years? Quran कितने सालों में नाजिल हुआ? Option A 10 years, Option B 23 years, Option C 40 years, Option D 30 years. The correct answer is Option B 23 years. The Quran was revealed gradually over 23 years, 13 years in Mecca and 10 years in Medina to guide Muslims and address their real-life situations. Question number 8 is, which city is known as the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Option A, Medina. Option B, Mecca. Option C, Taif. Option D, Jerusalem. The correct answer is option B, Mecca. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in Mecca in the year 570 CE. It is also the holiest city in Islam and home to the Kaaba. Question number 9 is, how many times is the name of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, mentioned in Quran? Option A 25, option B 4, option C 10, option D 40. The correct answer is option B 4. The name Muhammad is mentioned 4 times in Quran. He is also referred to by other titles such as Messenger and Prophet. Last question is, which of the following is not one of the 5 pillars of Islam? Option A Shahada, option B Zakat, option C Hajj, option D Jihad. The correct answer is option D Jihad. Jihad is a significant concept in Islam but is not one of 5 pillars. The 5 pillars are Shahada, Salah, Zakat, Saum and Hajj. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। इस तरह के मजीद MCQs के लिए आप हमारी वेबसाइट myMCQs.net विजिट कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।